So start off with this nice bell sound. Now copy those notes and chuck them on a pretty weak bass. Find a synth and hit two sticks together to create this top melody, which is pretty much your entire bounce. Don't forget about that delay. Copy the bass notes again for the 808 and put a kick in wherever you can see an empty spot. Add that super basic snare and clap combo. Add some twerk claps. This shaker is now your hi-hat. Whatever you called this thing, God knows. And this cowbell. I don't actually know why it works, but it does, so it's staying. Now, here's the funky part. Put all of that in one pattern and just copy the first bit a couple times. And here's what it should sound like.